Good morning. The purpose of this video is to discuss the fuel filter and water separator we chose to implement in our vehicle. This addition serves as a safeguard for the journeys we'll undertake in the future, potentially across countries where fuel quality may be subpar due to filtration methods or storage conditions. In some places, we might even have to purchase fuel in bottles. So, anticipating the situation, we purchased this filter that I'm holding here in my hand. It's not a complicated filter, and I selected this model because it's very visual. It features a transparent bowl at the bottom, allowing us to see at any moment if there are significant particles or water present. This particular filter can be found on Amazon. There are many models available, but this one costs about €40, although prices may vary. But honestly, it's a minor investment compared to the potential problems it can prevent and the peace of mind it provides. It ensures the truck won't struggle due to fuel contamination. To install this filter and pre-filter, you'll need a mounting bracket, which in our case, we already have prefabricated. You'll also require hydraulic hoses with measurements taken beforehand. Additionally, hollow screws and metal plastic washers are necessary. I find these more practical than copper washers. Copper works well for high pressures and temperatures, but metal plastic has a broad operating range and, in my opinion, is more versatile and reusable. In my experience, copper, once compressed, may not seal properly if reused. In this case, I decided to mount the filter separator on the chassis rather than the engine to avoid engine vibrations. Instead of drilling through holes, I opted to tap threads directly into the chassis. The chassis beam has a substantial thickness. For this, I selected M8 metric screws with 8.8 grade hardness and Geomet treatment, automotive grade screws. I recommend using a bit of cutting oil for smoother threading. We then proceed to mount the bracket, securing the screws with Loctite 243 adhesive to prevent them from loosening due to vibrations. As mentioned earlier, while the engine generates more vibrations, the chassis also absorbs some of them. Over time, these vibrations could loosen the screws, which is why Loctite 243 is crucial to ensure they stay in place. Once the bracket and filter are securely fastened, we connect the hoses. One hose connects to the outlet of the truck's manual priming pump. We run this hose to the filter's inlet. The filter has an arrow indicating the direction of fuel flow for both inlet and outlet. First, we install the inlet hose and tighten it. Next, we connect the outlet hose, which goes to the injection pump inlet. We leave the outlet screw on the filter slightly loose for the manual priming process to release air. When we prime the system, we'll see fuel entering the filter's transparent bowl. Once fuel flows abundantly through the loosened screw, it's time to tighten it securely. At this point, The system is operational, that it's as simple. We're aware that there are many other options and systems out there, that we chose this one for its simplicity and effectiveness for our needs, and we're sharing it with you here. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and let us know.